Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be doing a dash repair on our Husqvarna yard tractor. As we can see, we have a nice split in our dash. It goes all the way down to here, and then also a hole here, which we're going to fill. And we're going to be doing that with the help of a plastic welding gun. You can get these on Amazon. I believe it was like $35. You get everything you see here. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, so we have our gun and then one of the staples. Just place it in the holes. And the only off-on switch is your trigger. So I have it lined up as well as possible. And I'm letting it cool off. There's one. And there is a closer picture of the first one. You don't want to leave the trigger on too long or else it'll just melt right through instead of blending in. We're going to put one right here at the end of the crack. Remember, holding our trigger down, not too long. And then we're holding it there and letting it cool off a bit so it doesn't get yanked out. Okay, let's put one right here at the end where the hood reaches. Remember, keep holding it for a few seconds, let it cool down, then pull out. That's what happens if you don't let it cool down. And I believe we'll just use one, probably two more. Yeah, we'll put one more here. Okay, now we're just going to nip off the ends. These things will pop and hit you in the face, so cover as you're cutting them. Okay, that top part's done. And if we wanted to, we could always weld this. What I mean is it has a attachment that can iron, so you can smooth it out if you wanted to. There's no reason to. It's cosmetic. But just to show how strong it is. Now for this hole here, the welding kit provides you with this backing tape. And you can also use a screen if you want. So now what we're going to do is we're going to melt some plastic into there. So now what I've done is I installed the ironing tip. If you recall, I was telling you about this. So what we're going to do is take one of the provided materials and start melting that and filling that crack. Now when we're using the ironing function, we're going to hold down that trigger and let it heat up. You'll start to see some smoke coming out of it. And what I'm typically going to do is just fill it a little bit at a time, let it go, let it cool, and then start over with a new one. Okay, I'm sorry if the angle isn't perfect, but these are tight quarters here, and the camera stands in my way. Now, you could clean this up as much as you would like for cosmetic reasons, but it's a tractor, and we filled our hole, which was the goal, so no water gets in. Okay, here's our completed work. Like I said, the hole is filled up, and then where water is going to be coming in. Yeah, so if you don't have one of these, I would definitely pick it up. It'll pay for itself the first time you use it. I mean, I have no idea how much this would have cost to replace. And also, I have many more yard tractor videos where I install parts, review these mud tires I put on, change oil, motor blades, all that. So please be sure to check out all my videos. Thanks.